another pickup, just in it unique, especially in classics. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 in a short box step side. Got a patina look as far as the paint goes. It's one of those trucks where you could take it, drive it the way it is, or maybe you want to street ride it or take it to the next level. Be a good canvas to start that with. The vehicle's still powered by an inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. There are some little rust spots. You can see some things have come through a little bit up around the headlights, what have you. So is it a perfect truck? No, but like I said, you want one that you can drive the way it sits, have a little fun with it, take your local cruise-ins. You can sure do that with this, or maybe you want to spend some time and bring it back to its glory, or turn it into a street rod. Take your pick. Riding on a little later slotted steel wheel, and a rally style wheel. Good rubber on this truck. You can check out the still picture so you can see the underside, check out the box, under the hood, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions. We can assist with transportation to where you're located at. One of the desirable things about this truck is there it is, short box, step side. And of course the year, that 57 good year in the Chevy trucks. Wood box is all there. It does show its age obviously, but it's all there. Side mounted spare on the other side, as you can see. Again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around down the driver's side. You can see the upper fenders, not in bad shape at all. Above the wheel wells, you're going to have a little rust and what have you on the bottom of the doors, of course. Go ahead and check out this interior. I'll start it up so you can hear it run too. But actually, very good starting and running truck. So the dash is all stock as a 57. It is a true 3100. If you can see this, probably can't quite see it in the video here, but it's a 3A up here at the beginning of the VIN. That is the 3100, or half ton as they're commonly called. Seats have been redone in a vinyl and cloth combination there. Again, like I said, retains pretty much all the stock dash, wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up and hear it run. I'll check out the engine bay. Turn the key on, start her on the floor. I have to choke it just a tad here. I'm going to give it a little gas. There we go. Work the choke back in. There we go. Inline 6 fires up. I'll make sure I'm in neutral here. Like I said, very smooth running engine. It'll idle nicely here for us. That choke adjusted just right and start working it in. There we go. Great looking dash in these with the speedometer and gauges. Here's the amp, oil pressure, gas. Looks like all those gauges came to life and work also. Temperature gauge, I'm guessing is going to come up after it warms up. There we go. Got it running, got that choke in. Slip around to the back. Not smoking or anything. That inline 6 just purring right along. Tell you what, I'm going to come around here. We'll pause this video a second. I'll pop the hood and check out that engine bay. All right, listen how smooth this is running. There's a good look at it. Like I said, nice runner and driver. I'm going to drive it the way it is and take it to the next level. Once again, give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, those still pictures, you want to check out the underside, check out all those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 short box step side.